Teckentrup installation manual, you'll see there's a series of instructions that talk about how to load the spring tray with the springs, the pulleys, the clips, lubrication, actually fit the spring tray covers and the clips. We now offer a preloaded spring tray. This means it's already taken care of. One less thing for you to worry about on site. With our preloaded spring tray system, you can see the rope is now already fitted, spring tray covers fitted, so are the clips. Everything's already done for you. It's quite clever. These ropes now can't get twisted. They're held in place by our anti-twist bracket. That's secured by this brown tape. We leave that off for the time being. This QR code means that you can scan it, it'll take you straight to this video, and give you all the hints and tips that you need to fit the door. With the preloaded spring tray system, installation's only slightly different. We'll take these cables here and remove the cable tie that's holding them in place. Once removed, you can pop them over the back, out the way for the time being. We then take the lifting cable and feed it up and over as normal, ensuring there are no further twists in the cable, and put it on the larger pull wheel. Once on and in position, we use the securing nut and bolt to hold it in position, whilst we then focus on the other two cables and feeding them through and securing them. So now we're on to stationary cables. We can see they're coming out at the top of here, making sure there's no twisting them once again. Feed them over the back, down in between the actual track and the frame leg, and feed that through. Now they're in position, we'll use our rope holder. These are handed. This is for the left side of the door, and we can see that the high side is on the right hand side. This is the way that we want it to go. We feed the cables onto the rope holder. And once done, we pull down to the appropriate tension and hook it in to the punch. Once no cable is installed, we need to remove the anti-twist plate. It has a hole built in to help you put a bit more leverage to top it out. Firstly, we remove the brown tape. Once done, pop the spanner in, leverage it out, and then simply twist out of position